Can we verify Worldcoin account without ORB? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see if we can verify Worldcoin account without ORB or not. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So in Worldcoin or World app, you can create a Worldcoin account without immediate verification, but certain features and benefits will remain inaccessible until you complete the ORB verification. But unfortunately, verifying your Worldcoin account without the ORB is not possible. The ORB is a specialized device that is designed to verify individual uniqueness by scanning users' irises, ensuring that each person can only create one Worldcoin ID. So, the process is essential for maintaining the integrity of the Worldcoin system. Therefore, in order to proceed with the verification, you can locate any ORB device near you by using the Worldcoin application or simply visiting the official Worldcoin website. So with that, it's important to note, as of now, there is no any alternative method for the full account verification without the ORB. So if you are attempting to bypass this process, this could compromise your account security and violate the Worldcoin's terms of service. So instead, if you want to verify without ORB, you can locate an ORB nearby, check for the events and wait for an expansion, or you can contact Worldcoin support and look for any community alternatives. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.